wealth and set yourself up for financial success in the future, you will want to listen to this. Today we're talking about real estate investing and why you might want to invest in real estate yourself. So first off, you might have some preconceived notions about real estate. You may think that it's difficult to get into real estate investing and that it's only for the super wealthy who already own more than 2 homes. Well, I'm happy to say these ideas are false. Real estate has tons of benefits that make it a smart investment option for somebody looking to grow their wealth. Let's go over a few of those benefits now. The first benefit of real estate investing is that you can earn passive income. Passive income is income you don't really have to work for. It just comes into your wallet without having to do any active work. When you invest in rental property, you can get a nice paycheck every month with very little input from you. Next, investing in real estate diversifies your investment portfolio. By having several kinds of assets like stocks, 401k, and real estate, for example, your wealth will be better protected in case of an economic downturn. Take right now. Although the stock market has taken a steep dive over the past couple of years, real estate has appreciated greatly, which balances out those declines. Additionally, your real estate assets will appreciate over time. This means they will increase in value and increase your return on investment. When you go to sell your home or your real estate investment, chances are very good you'll make a pretty penny in profit. This is what makes real estate such a great investment. And finally, investing in real estate comes with tax benefits. You can write off expenses associated with the property, depreciate the asset over time, and take advantage of capital gains tax deference. Your real estate agent will be able to guide you through the best tax benefits for your situation. As I always say, there's a reason millionaires out there start out investing in real estate. It's a great investment with relatively low risk and high returns, which makes it great for beginners and experienced investors alike. Like any investment though, it's always a good idea to go into it with a strategic mindset and an open mind. Plus, it's helpful to have an expert on your side to walk you through the ins and outs of investing in real estate. That's where a real estate agent can come in. If you have any questions about real estate investments and whether they're right for you, send me a DM and I'll get you the info you need.